In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to show your caller ID on iPhone, how to always display your caller ID on iPhone. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to settings. So once you get to settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down and tap on apps. So once you tap on the apps, I want you to scroll down and look for where we have phone. So look for phone. This is phone over here. I want you to tap on this phone. So once you tap on this phone, I want you to scroll down, and on here you are going to see show my caller ID. So I want you to tap on this show my caller ID. So once you tap on this show my caller ID, you can see show my caller ID is off. So I just want you to tap on this. So once you tap on it, it will turn green. So guys, this is how you can actually tap. This is how you can actually turn on or activate or enable your caller ID on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.